Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Leslie and I make videos on pretty much anything that interests me or that I enjoy and I'd like to share with you guys. If you guys would like to watch my videos, and subscribe down below. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of Maskcara Beauty. I did sign up to become a mascara artist, so I will be talking about mascara and what I like about it and why I recommend it. To start off, I feel like it's a very mommy friendly, or like if you're really busy and stuff. Also, if you want something lightweight on your face, it's a good it's good makeup to go to, I guess you can say. I'm bad with words, but yeah, so today's is gonna be an unboxing of it. And I did open it already because when I got here it was really hot. I was supposed to get here another day, like the next day, but it got here early. So when I got it, I was like, oh man, like it was sitting out in the heat. And it is cream makeup, so yeah. So it comes in a big box like this. Let's see. When you open it up, it says, hey gorgeous, or hello gorgeous. Wish I could show you guys kind of like what it looks. And it comes with a little letter, and it says it's just welcoming me to the company and just telling me kind of things about it. So yeah, with it, it's an issue, a complete guide to 3D foundation. And if I knew my Roman numerals, I think that's a 5, but volume 5, and it's just like I guess talking about it. So I'm excited to go through this. With this makeup, it's supposed to be like very natural, like not cakey, I guess you can say. You could build it up, but it's supposed to not be cakey. I've seen actually a lot of girls that have done their makeup with it, and I think it looks really pretty. I'm all for like a natural look. I don't like cakey makeup, but sometimes when I put makeup on, you can tell I'm wearing makeup, and I want kind of like that no makeup look. Kind of like today, I'm not really wearing makeup. I mean, I did my eyes and lips, but like foundation wise, I decided to not do foundation today. Just a little bit of powder, I will say, because I don't want to be like, oh yeah, I'm fully like bare face, because I'm not. I have powder on and concealer like under my eyes, because when you have 2 under 2, sometimes you don't get the sleep that you should be getting. So then it comes with this compact. Well, it comes with 4 compacts. This is, I think, the quad. They have like different names. I wish I had a name for them. But okay, they're highlight contour. They're highlight contour ones. So pretty much you open them and they come like this, and you're supposed to put like the 4 tints right here. It fits 4 tints in here, and it's magnetic, so yeah, so you can just carry this with you and you have like your whole foundation. They come with bigger ones, and like, okay, it's this one, then this one. Are they the same ones? Seems longer for some reason. Why does this one seem bigger? What? Might be my eyes. Okay, this one's bigger. And this is a double-decker, which means that you can put right here and then in the bottom. And then they also give you, I'm sure, well, they'll give you like, if you buy with the bigger double-decker. I'll open it for you guys. See. So it fits more in there. Yeah, I'm excited for these. And the thing about them too is that they have really cute packaging. They have other designs. It's not just this one, so you can choose whatever design you want. This is the one that I got with the Maskcara Beauty Pro kit. Yeah. So it comes with these 4. And then, what's on side? It also comes with milk cream, which think this is like the third step. Okay, I hate opening boxes. I'm really bad at it. I end up ripping them. I should have done this on camera. See? Told you guys. Okay. So, it's this cream. I haven't used it, obviously, but it says apply cream after cleansing and toning your face, neck, and any areas of the body that are dry or dull. We recommend nightly use for best results. Cleanse your skin with milk cleanser and prep the skin for moisture with milk toner. So they have like their little, what would you call it? The like system, like the cleanser, toner, cream, moisturizer. I don't. Oh, you pump it down. So yeah, that's exciting. I don't know why when I see something that says milk, I always think of something silky and like very like smooth on your face. They also send you the 3D perfector, and it's to blend your makeup like a perfectionist. You soak, squeeze it out, tap lightly, get out there gorgeous. It's latex free. With this one, it's like the beauty blender sponge. They also send you a bunch of this is why I had to open it, because it had a lot of tins, and you can tell, but I think it was like kind of like the oils or something. But okay, so this is a contour and this is indigo. They have really cute packaging as well. A lot of people don't know what to do with this, so they throw them away, but I think I'm gonna do something with them. I'm gonna, like, I don't know, make something out of them. But yeah, it's a bunch of lip and cheeks illuminators. Yeah, once I have my palette set up, I will show you guys, because right now it's gonna be hard to be opening one after another. So, if I look oily, I'm sorry. I'm wearing a moisturizer. I use this moisturizer by Origin, and they came out with this limited edition like glowy one, and I put it on because it's supposed to make you look dewy, like, you know, like you drink a lot of water, very hydrated. So I look oily probably, but I am not like oily at all. Like, it's dry, but yeah, I really love it. Anyways, moving on. These are a bunch of eyeshadows, I'm pretty sure, which as well I will show you guys the colors once I have it set up, so you guys can see like the colors and everything. So I will open one just so you guys can see it, and they all say like something cute on the top, like, I don't know. This is the start of something beautiful, so it's like encouraging stuff. You pull it out, and this is, oh, and then it has the name in the back of the tin. This is the color Oak, and they do have 4, I believe, cream eyeshadows. The rest are powder. So that's what I liked about it too. Like, it's not all cream. The eyeshadows are powder, and then there's the vanilla dust, I believe it's called. It's the setting like powder for your face after you do your foundation. You can also use like any other powder you want, like Earthspun. They say they recommend that one, or any one that works for you. But they do also have one that you can use for your face. That's that. The brushes I will open because not a lot of them, so it's like 6 brushes. So this is the highlight and contour one. This is the Power Powder. Cake is for parties. We like your face. These are gonna be. Ooh. I think they have like those. What are they called? Brush guards or something like that. Okay. Guys, they're so soft. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the double-ended brush for contour and highlight. I'm assuming Oops, I don't even know which side is which. One's for contour, one's for highlight. But this is what it looks like. And when I say they're soft, guys, they are like really soft. Like really soft. Can't wait to use. But yeah, that's one brush. They have the bronzer and contour. I just showed you guys one. The bronzer and blush brush. Oh, this one doesn't have that. Okay. Because this one shows you in the back like which side is which, but for some reason this one doesn't. This is a blush and bronzer, the blended brush, and it says we like it rosy and sun-kissed. Okay, so this side is for the blush and this side's for the bronzer. So bronzer and blush. What I also like about their blush, it looks very like shiny, like very like healthy, like it's natural. That's what I like about it, because I've seen a lot of the girls that have their makeup done with this makeup and I'm like, their skin looks very healthy, and that's what I like about it. Oh, sorry guys, I'm like not even show you guys. Okay. And then and they are very soft. Like I said, I think they're all gonna be soft, to be honest. I do like that it's, I think it's gold with rose gold. This looks rose gold and this looks gold. I don't know, you guys tell me. Yeah, it is. From far away I can see it. It's gold and rose gold. And it says mascara right there. Next brush is the Detail Hack. Like a push-up bra for your cheeks. Oh, it's a highlight and contour. Oh, we're gonna have a push-up bra on our cheek. Okay. So, this side is the contour side, and this side is the highlight side. So if you really think about it, you don't really need a lot of these brushes. I think you're good with like 2 brushes. The brushes are like, I believe $36. And it does sound expensive, but if you really think about it, it's double-ended, so you're getting 2 brushes in one. So I think that's a good deal, because I mean, if you really think about it, we spend a lot on brushes. Well, at least I have. But yeah. So this one's another type of brush you can use for highlight and contour. This is the Fluffy, oh wait, sorry, that's what it says, Fluffy and Smudge. There's a shadow everything, so it's an eyeshadow brush, which I'm excited to look at because I was kind of curious what these look like. Okay, this one did not come with the brush guard. What's going on? Just kidding. Oh, it came in this little slip thing, but I took it out. So this is, okay, there's the Fluffy to blend, I'm assuming. And then this is to smudge. You guys can see, tough to do that. Oh, excuse my dirty hand. Okay, and then just the regular. Okay, then they have the concealer and detail. Ooh, it's a multitasker. It does everything kind of like you. I don't like opening boxes. I'm so bad at it. Okay, so this is the detail. As you can tell, because it's so small. It's like a flat end, and then this is the, what is this one? Oh, for concealer, which makes sense. And this one's the Buffy, the chosen one. This one's to buff and buff some more. I like that. That's funny. This one does come with the brush guard. I think it's called the brush guard. This is to buff and to buff some more. So this is what it looks like. And then, so this was my whole unboxing. I will be putting it together for you guys so you guys can see it. But yeah, I'm excited to start this new journey. I will be showing you guys in the next video what the compacts look like with the eyeshadows and the makeup and stuff once I put it all together. And I will be doing a a video, my makeup, like a 5-minute, 10-minute makeup. I'll say 10-minute makeup for me. If it takes less, then less. But yeah, that's what I'm kind of giving myself. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are interested in seeing the next video, then subscribe down below, like or comment anything you guys would like to ask or something from the next video, and I can maybe answer any questions. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. So I'm back real quick because I was about to throw the box away when I realized that was still heavy. So I looked under, and it had like the catalogs, and then I don't know what these are, to be honest. I have to open them to see what they are. And then it's like an eyeshadow diagram, and kind of like how you're supposed to do it, as well as temporary tattoos. Let's say get out there gorgeous. But yeah, that's all. But since I came back on the video, I'm like, I can show you guys because I already got it all set up. This is like a bronzer and illuminators. Some of them kind of didn't make it, but it's okay. These are my lip and cheek stuff. So you could use these as lip gloss, or what would it be, lipstick or something? I don't know, because it's cream. But or your cheeks, which is why I tell you guys, like, it looks really, really pretty. And then this one, I put the eyeshadows that I got. There's a lot more to choose from, guys. This is just what came with the Pro Kit, but there's a lot more eyeshadows that you guys can choose from. But the ones that they sent me are really, really pretty. The only one that didn't make it was this one, which is unicorn. And then these are the highlights and contours. These are highlights too. These are the contours. But yeah, that's all, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.